back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you my nighttime natural hair routine. I'm going to be showing you what I do to safely put my hair away before I go to bed. So you know it's nighttime, you got your robe on, you know you're ready to go to sleep, you're doing your skincare routine and everything, but you gotta put your hair away properly. So I'm going to be showing you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Subscribe to your girl's channel. I'll be posting videos every single week. So let's jump straight into this. Okay, so the first thing is take this hair out of the squidgy. So what I'm going to be doing is just separating my hair into two. I'm going straight down in the middle. You can do two things. So for me, I'm going to be showing you how I just like what I use to moisturize and how I just put my hair away. I'm going to be putting my hair into two Dutch braid. So I got my spray bottle with water and conditioner in it, and I got the Blue Magic hair and scalp conditioner. I have a white teeth comb, and I got a bottle here. This is from my hot oil treatment. Still have some left over, so check that video out. You won't regret it. Like, you need to watch that video. So I got oils left over. This has castor oil, coconut oil, and olive oil with a little bit of peppermint extract oil in it. So I'm going to be adding this to my scalp. Also, I'm going to be adding some Pearls Moisture strengthening and moisturizing treatment to my hair. So let's get these braids down. So I'm going to be doing two braids. So I'm going to do is to just walk a job. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just lightly wet my hair, not too much, because remember you're going to your bed. You do not want to go to bed with your hair like fully wet. So I'm just going to lightly spray some water on my hair just to help with detangling. And I'm going to take my white teeth comb and I'm just going to detangle my hair. So you know you start from the ends, and then you just work your way up, and then you add some prep. I'm going to be adding the oils to my scalp. So I'm going with my Blue Magic. So now I'm going to be going in with the Pearls Moisture Strengthening and Moisturizing Treatment. And I'm going to add a little to my hair. Okay. Now I'm just going to do a simple braid. I'm not doing my braid tight, just very loosely. To shop Pearls Moisture, that name will be down below. Okay. Almost finished. I think doing the Dutch braids is like easier to me. Like it takes up less time as opposed to like doing like 5 packs. surface the ends. And I like to add some more oil to the ends. Twirl it around, wait for the next side. So this is where my hair length is at after I cut my hair on Sunday. So this is my hair. But I'm going to be adding some more oil to my edges. And then that's it. So all I do right now is to just take my silk bonnet, ensure that it is silk, and I just put it over my head. And this is basically it. This is my natural hair nighttime routine. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check down below for some recent videos of mine. Check out my hot oil treatment. You won't regret it. That video is important for all hair types to just treat your hair. You need it. I'm telling you, you need it. So go ahead and check that video out. Also, don't forget to be on the lookout for all of my videos. I do post videos every single Friday. Bye guys. Oh, and shop my business page, shop my product, Pearls Moisture, period. Okay, bye guys.